Okay, the remaining questions here are from the stats unit that we reviewed for the OGT. So here we have a box and whisker plot. It says a set of data is represented by the box and whisker plot. Annual salaries are in thousands, so recall that this is in thousands. And it says the range of salaries is, now the range goes from the lowest to the highest. So we've got 70 on the high minus 20 on the low, so that gets you 50, but that's in thousands, so that's 50,000. Okay, so that would be answer D. So that's question 76. Okay. On 78 here, 78, it says a company surveys employees on what mode of transportation they take to work. The results of the survey are shown. So it says about what percent take a car to work. So we want to know what percent. Well, this is number of employees. So this one looks like it's at 190. Okay, now this one, you might need to take a piece of paper and line this up. So this one looks like that's about 90. And then this one here looks like this is about 10. And that one looks like it's about 20. Okay. So if we add this up, 90 and 10, this is 100. And then 20 and 190 is 210. So that's a total of 310 people, and we want to know what percent take a car to work, so that's 190 out of 310. So if we calculate that out, 190 divided by 310, you get, you get 0.612, so that's approximately 61%. Okay. On 79, we have a stem and leaf plot, and they want to know what's the mean, median, and mode. So we want the mean, median, and mode. So the mean, what we have to do is add these all up and divide by the total number. So how many, remember the stem and leaf here, 1/0 means 10. So then this is 21, 26, 33, 34, 41, 41, 41, 56, and 56. So let's find the mean first. So let's add these all up. So adding them all up, we've got 10 plus 21 plus 26 plus 33 plus 34 plus 41 plus 41 plus another 41 plus a 56 plus a 56. And you get a total of 359. So the mean equals 359 divided by, how many did we say there were? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total numbers. So divide that by 10, and the mean is equal to 35.9. Okay. Now, if you find the median, that's the one in the middle. Usually what students will do on this is they'll pair up the first and the last number. And they'll keep doing that until they get to the middle. So the first number and the last number, they cancel each other out. Then the second number and the second to last number cancel each other out, and we're getting closer to the middle. Then this is the third number, and this is the third to last. This is the fourth number, this is fourth from last. So then we have two numbers left. So that means your median has to be in the middle of those two numbers. So that's 34 and 41. So if you add those together and divide by 2, we should find our median. So 34 plus 41 divided by 2, and that is 37.5. Okay? And then lastly, the mode is the most frequent. Well, which number occurred the most? That looks like that's 41 because we had 3 of those. We only had 2 56s and all the other ones only occurred once. Okay? And then on the last question, it says, given the following quartiles, first, second, and third quartile, what's the value of the median? And recall that on a box and whisker plot, which we had here on question 76, remember this is the median. Okay, median is the one in the middle. This is first quartile, second quartile, third quartile. So the second quartile is your median. Second quartile is your second quartile is your median. Okay? Your first quartile is normally called your lower quartile, and your third quartile is usually called your upper quartile. Okay? So that does it for the review guide.